Recently, you launched the framework for coordination and implementation of the national government development programs and the project. We, as the DCI, promise to be in the forefront in safeguarding the government funds that will go into these programs and projects without fear or favor. Under the guidance of the multi-agency team and the partnership with other government agencies and the stakeholders, and in particular the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, we shall ensure any person, be it be from public or private sector, who may be tempted or even try to illegally benefit from public funds will be ruthlessly pursued, investigated, and arrive in a competent court of law. Your Excellency, under Section 244 of the Constitution of Kenya 210, among other objectives and the functions of our mandate, it is to prevent corruption and promote the practice of transparency and accountability. With your counsel, support, and guidance, sir, we shall not relent in complying as expected of us. Beyond this, we are also charged under the new National Police Service Transformative Policy to be in charge of all investigations emanating from the station level to the national level. This includes, but not limited to, economic crimes, organized crimes, terrorism, fraud, homicide, human trafficking, narcotics and drugs, environmental crimes, cybercrime, and all other serious crimes, a task we have taken up with all the seriousness required of us.
We at the ODPP have committed ourselves to discharging the mandate granted by the Constitution and the law to prosecute. We will proactively prosecute all crimes vigorously, without fear or favor, partiality or ill will, and certainly without undue regard to personality. We shall stick fast to legality and justice, as these are the bedrock of what we do. And in discharging this solemn duty, Your Excellency, we keep in mind the wider public interest. We also seek to deny all criminals the fruits of their plunder. Since my appointment, Your Excellency, by you to the position of the DPP, my office has undertaken prosecution of a number of high-profile cases. This has not been purely a public gimmick, as some have quoted or equated outside there. Upon coming into office, Your Excellency, it became immediately clear to me that, as Your Excellency has often stated, there are latent instances of corruption which were receiving scant attention. Something had to be done, as you have said yourself, Your Excellency. And so, in line with our current national ethos, we at the ODPP have started to address these cases. Apart from the above, we are undertaking other initiatives which might not be seen but will impact on our service delivery with an objective of quality services, improved processes and procedures, better facilitations of witnesses and victims, enhanced intra- and inter-agency coordination, and finally, more faith and trust by the public.